Creating Canva account, make Canva account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a Canva account or make a Canva account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to create a Canva account, you can use the app or the browser. So you can open up the Canva app, and first of all, it will continue to sign up, right? So you can sign up with Google or Facebook, or you can tap on continue another way, and it will give you other options that you can directly link your Canva account with. So if one of those options are easier for you, you can go ahead and select that. But if you want to create an independent Canva account with an email and password, then you can tap on continue with email option. And instead you can simply go ahead and then type in the email address that you would like to use for your Canva account, then tap on continue. Then just make sure to enter your name, then tap on create your account. Now it will send a verification code to that email. Make sure you enter the verification code, then you can enter the password. Once you've done that, your Canva account will get successfully created. This way you can create or make a Canva account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.